Hi, my name is Lilian Al-Halabi. I'm the Sales Account Manager for PL Solutions. Our company supplies speed gates and turnstiles, access control system, smart lockers, and many more. We are here in Dubai Hills, the UAE's most premium ladies-only fitness club, which is FitnGlam. FitnGlam having many branches across the UAE. It offers many fitness classes, spas, a healthy cafe, and high-end relaxation services, offering the top-of-the-range equipment and the most luxurious services that gives the best experience for ladies that pamper themselves. In this facility, we have offered Perco speed gates together with Gantner access control system that perfectly fit the checkpoints with increased design and passage convenience requirements. Perco speed gates have been chosen to organize the club's access control system. The gates are extremely elegant, reliable, and they're very well known for their compact design feature.